Dear friends, hi, this is Nick Polishkin. Today we're going to talk about the beginning of year 2023 and about making decisions with purchasing or renting your real estate. These questions always come up from our clients. What should I do? Buy or rent? Lease or lease to buy, for example. And there are different options what you can do in today's reality. And my advice for you, if you're looking for a home for yourself, not as an investment property, and if you can find the property which you absolutely love, you adore, and you can live in it for at least 8 to 10 years, you can make a move and purchase this piece of property, because in the long run, South Florida will only appreciate in value, and because of the influx of people who are migrating to South Florida. If you're looking for a short-term place to live, I would suggest better to rent. And because right now the interest rates are very high, we are in February of 2023 already, and we are anticipating another rate hike, 0.25%, but still it's affecting the mortgage rates. So if you were moving every year, for example, probably better to rent. If you're looking for long-term investment and you really love the house for your family, it's excellent for your kids, and location-wise it matches all your requirements, then you can buy it. Yes, you will pay for premium right now for the mortgage rate, but eventually the rates will go down and you can refinance. And you can talk to your bank or to the mortgage specialist, and they will advise you on the current rates, future refinancing options, etc. Another advice which I want to give you is about the investment properties, and even buying property for yourself. If you're buying the property and you can negotiate the price by 20%, 15%, but it needs some work, you can also make the move. Because by doing that, you're buying already below the market, and even if price will drop 15%, you already have price negotiated down to 15%, so you're not losing anything. And additionally, you can do renovations which will increase your home value by 15, 20, 25% maybe. Yes, obviously you need to spend money and invest into renovations, but what you will get in the end is freshly renovated house where you can live with your family or by yourself, and then you already have appreciation in your house, and your equity is higher what you paid for it as a down payment. So even if you have higher rate right now, by doing that you can actually make it worth much more. The quality of the interior, quality of the renovations, also very important, and they will make the price of the house go up. So that's up to you. You need to think about the decisions in today's reality. Call us or give us questions about your real estate. If you're in the market to buy or to rent, we're able to help you and give you the right advice based on your situation. Again, everybody's situation is different, and we usually look at it case by case basis. This was my advice. This is Nick Polishkin, broker with Very Realty. Subscribe to my channel, give us likes, and ask us questions.